Hi guys, here we have a Nissan Navara 2.5 DCI double cab pickup, 2006 on a 06 plate in black. It's got the 22-inch bad boy alloy wheels, side steps, roof bars, chrome wing mirror caps, tow bar. I think it might be a black edition. It was apparently a show vehicle at some point in its life, and it's got a multitude of speakers and I believe amplifiers.
Make buying your new home easy.
Black leather interior, remote central locking,
House is available at peterwardhomes.co.uk. T's and C's apply.
cruise control, automatic air conditioning, heated seats, selectable four-wheel drive,
For a better lifestyle.
some Kenwood.
Online, on your mobile, and on digital.
I think they're to do with the amplifiers. It's got a Parrot Bluetooth fitted.
From Global's newsroom,
143,000 miles.
She faces jail after appearing in court accused.
Exceptional value for money. If you want to give me a call, my name's Mike Wells.
Can't be named.
My telephone number is 0777 5644 628. Thanks for looking.
Formal pleas for NSIS, but she confirms she will